Hey everyone, and welcome back to LGQUEEN Home Decor. I hope you all have been doing wonderful and are ready for a very fun and satisfying video today of our outdoor patio transformation. No matter how small or large your outdoor space is, I'm sure if you watch this video all the way until the end, you will gain inspiration, ideas, and the motivation to transform your very own space. You will get to see the before and after of our patio makeover, how to design a basic hardscape and build off your own landscaping. I'll be giving away $100 as a thank you for being here to help you get started with your very own project. All you have to do to enter this giveaway, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. The winner will be announced 1 week from today in the description box. Now let's get started. I'm so happy spring has finally arrived, and as I'm getting ready to give our outdoor patio a complete transformation, I know many of you watching will want to give your outdoor space a makeover as well. To make things easier, more convenient, and to help you all with your very own space, I'd like to share how it can help your vision come to life and how mine was able to do so as well. This video is sponsored by Wayfair, and if you didn't know, Wayfair is the ultimate online home store offering over 5,000 brands of furniture, lighting, cookware, and so much more for your home. Now it's even more awesome. On top of the widest and deepest selection of amazing home products that Wayfair offers is that I was able to take advantage of their big outdoor sale, and you can too. Wayfair's big outdoor sale is the perfect time to buy the big things you've been looking for to upgrade your favorite outdoor space with up to 50% off and fast shipping. Shopping with Wayfair and through the vast selection of items I was able to find all in one place made it so much easier for me to pull all this together. Here's a quick look of the several items that you will see as we move throughout today's video and can help you gather ideas and transform a space. It's been quite some time, and our previous outdoor carpet we had needed a major refresh as the color had faded and was worn out. I found this beautiful hand-woven rug that fit perfectly for my patio. The contemporary pattern and colors of denim and ivory blended in perfect with all of my other items. This was the first piece that began giving my patio refresh from the ground up. To bring life and vibrancy to this area, I wanted to bring in some artificial trees. I ended up going with these Cereza palm trees that came in a set of 2 that were over 5 feet tall each. I love how these require no maintenance and can be used year-round. Right out of the box, you can begin adjusting the branches as they have metal wiring built into it and won't break off when bending. Wayfair offers these trees in multiple sizes that are smaller and even larger than these ones to fit all areas, indoor or outdoor. On many of Wayfair's planters, when you buy 2 or more, you can even save 15% off. I ended up choosing this Curtis woven throw blanket that was designed in smart neutral tones and finished with plush tassels. To accompany the throw blanket, I ended up ordering these embroidered cotton throw pillows. The plush center stripe features acrylic yarn that definitely took my outdoor furniture to a whole nother level in style. Whenever it comes to the lighting of a room, I always consider changing fixtures and also adding additional lighting. While we did change the builder's grade fixture and replaced it with a ceiling fan, I wanted to add more lights. I decided to add these outdoor string lights all around the patio cover border. Each strand extends to 48 feet in length with 15 bulbs, but the ends are connectable, so if you have a larger area, you can connect and extend them. They are waterproof, and in the day or night, they really help to elevate this space. To further extend on lighting for my patio, I selected these solar floor lamps. Not only are they very decorative pieces to add character to my patio, but they require no electricity as they are powered by solar energy. Inside, they are equipped with LED beads, providing a large lighting area and high brightness. This makes my patio and garden area look brighter and more beautiful at night. The dusk to dawn sensor automatically turns the light on for me in the evenings. If you wanted to place these outdoors with no covering, you don't have to worry about rain or water as they are waterproof. They are ready for setup right out of the box for easy installation. As part of serving my family and guests, I wanted to get a large cooler that could be wheeled anywhere and was portable. I ended up going with this Permasteel 80-quart patio cooler. Setup was a breeze and the handles made it easy to move around. The entire cooler basin is detachable, so you can carry it and use it for other purposes other than just your patio. It features a bottle opener with a cap catcher, and the entire top lid is completely removable for easy cleanup. You can fit up to 110 12-ounce cans inside for all of your refreshments. These are some of the items I picked out from Wayfair to help me with my outdoor patio makeover. As I mentioned earlier, I was able to get items up to 50% off due to their big outdoor sale, and you can too. To help get started on your unique space and take advantage of this amazing sale from March 18th through March 25th with up to 50% off, I'll leave everyone the link in my description box for quick access. I know you will all find great deals and even more beautiful items than I did here. Thank you to Wayfair for providing such an amazing sale with so many selections for everyone. Now let's see how this all turned out. I want to thank everyone who stopped by and joined me in today's video of our outdoor patio transformation. While decorating the inside of a home is always nice and refreshing, the outside is just as important and can bring so much joy. I love the way it all turned out and hope that this video gave you tons of ideas, inspiration, and motivation to help you start your very own outdoor project. If you haven't seen my latest videos where I gave other spaces a total makeover and organization refresh, I'll have those linked below in the description box. Don't forget to take advantage of Wayfair's big outdoor sale by visiting the link in my description box and to find even more beautiful items that were featured today. I look forward to hearing your thoughts on today's video in the comments section, and until then, I'll catch you all in my next video. Take care.